In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install plugins in Figma. If you're just starting out or looking to speed up your design process, plugins can completely revolutionize the way you work. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to find, install, and use any plugin you might need. It's super simple and absolutely confusion-free. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up Figma and make sure you're signed in. You can use either the desktop application or the browser version. Both of these platforms handle plugins in exactly the same way. Think of plugins as extra tools that supercharge your workflow, making it both faster and more creative. To access these powerful tools, take a look at the bottom of the left sidebar within Figma, where you'll find an option called Actions. This is the home for plugins and widgets. Once you click on Actions, you should head over to the section labeled Plugins and Widgets. Consider this your main hub for exploring exciting new add-ons to enhance your work. You'll notice there is a search bar. This is where you can type in the name or category of the plugin you're after. For example, if you're on the hunt for icons, just type icon into the search bar, and Figma will present you with a list of available plugins. What's great is that each plugin generally comes with a short description, user ratings, and occasionally some screenshots so you can quickly understand what it does. As you browse around, you might even stumble upon tools you didn't realize you needed, like color palette generators, lorem ipsum text fillers, or even advanced alignment helpers. After eyeing a plugin that piques your interest, the next step is to click on it. You'll be greeted by a detail window where you can choose to either run or install the plugin. Simply hit Install and Figma will handle everything else. The installation is usually instantaneous, but if it takes a few seconds, don't worry, it'll be ready for action in no time. Once installed, you can jump right in and start using the plugin in your project. Now, some plugins will open in a pop-up, others might provide extra panels, or even integrate new right-click options to streamline your workflow. Should you ever wish to remove a plugin, following these same steps will do the trick. And there you have it. You've officially elevated your Figma workflow to a new level. Remember, plugins are like little assistants that save you time and help you design more intelligently. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which plugins you're using, or if there are specific ones you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.